Sup, dude?
He turned around.
Well,
So this is what a horror car wash like is in real life.
Yeah,
Oh noise.
basically.
Chloe's gonna shake the car to it like.
What noise?
Oh, there's spraying on
Oh, Mum!
No, I can see him.
Just drive over him.
the spraying on the
I'm
roof.
gonna run you over!
That's nice.
That would be the pressure washer.
Hey! Hey! Sup, dude?
Oh god, I thought he was gonna like throw that at us.
At least you didn't do that to us.
Oh my god. Literally hold
Oh
the
yeah,
side
so
off
if
the light.
so if he opens the door, you're gonna fall out, yeah?
Yeah!
Lovely!
Car's just not working.
I don't think we'll get jump scared at the moment, will we?
Oh, never mind! No, because he just opened that car door.
Move over that side, please.
Ah!
That's what we'll do. If he comes that side, we'll go that side. If he comes that side, we'll go this side.
Wonderful. Oh yeah, and I was pushing you that way while no one was there. You were just like, I'm gonna stay here, so you get traumatized. Yeah.
We should have pushed him out the car, to be honest. No, I hate this. Actually,
Yeah,
the
every time he
creepiest
opens
one.
my door, it turned my engine off.
Oh, there's people with chainsaws. That's not nice.
Oh god.
You can't see 'cause that light. Oh, you better not come back in.
I'm gonna call him Johnny. If he comes near me, I'm calling him Johnny.
If a thing comes from my side, I'm doomed. I actually am.
Oh my god.
Help. Hi.
What are you smiling at? Shut up. That's my brother over there.
I'm gonna eat
He's gonna be staying with you for the night. You see that car in front of you?
First.
I'm going to kill you.
Right, when that news
Listen, while you're asleep tonight,
you got that,
I'm
I
gonna
believe in
kill
you.
you.
Remember?
And guess
You don't
what?
do that.
Don't, yes. I'm gonna eat you.
Okay.
I'm gonna put you in sausage, meat and cheese.
Okay.
Drive. Go on, Paul.
Shut up!
This way, Saying
Hey. Hey.
Oh god. Oh god.
He literally pointed at you.
Oh, blooming hell.
Right, go on then, Mum. He told you to
Growled
roll.
at me.
Oh my god, he
Can you put
actually.
your seatbelt on now, please?
That was
Because
like,
my car's not gonna, my car's gonna beep the whole time.
that was just horrifying.
Right, there, girl. Did we go on the rides?
No. I'm not even on.
Didn't you?
Who's on that? There's just some lights on it. Light up the car park.
That was the most horrifying thing I've ever done in my life.
It was.
Never doing that.